how to rotate or flip video in CapCut. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can rotate and flip video in CapCut. So guys, without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe. For flip and rotate video in CapCut, so firstly open the CapCut. So when you will open the CapCut, here you can see a new project option, so click on new project, and after this here you can see your videos. So select any videos which you want to flip or rotate. So after selecting any video, so click on add options. So after click on add options, so you can see video is added. So after this you can see here different options at the bottom side. So click and just move these options on the left side. When you will click on the video, so you can see different options, so you can move it on the left side. So when you will move on the left side, so click on transform option. So after click on transform option, you can see here rotate option, so click on rotate. So in this way you can rotate your video. So if you want to flip your video, so you can see there is mirror option, so click on mirror option. So you can see in this way you can flip your video. So if you want to resize your video, so you can see in this way you can select the size of video. So guys, in this way you can resize your video or rotate or flip your video. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.